Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. This video is related to very important topic. This is an advanced technology that is currently trending in the market. I am talking about ChatGPT. Do you know what is ChatGPT and which organization has developed this? If you don't know, then you are at the right place. Let's talk about this. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is composed of two words, chat and GPT. In ChatGPT, the term chat refers to the way the AI language model interacts with the users, just like having a friendly conversation with someone. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's understand each term. The term generative indicates that the model has ability to generate new text on its own, such as producing a relevant response in conversations. It is like a creative friend who can come up with the new and exciting things to say without anyone telling it what to say. Pre-trained. Pre-trained means that ChatGPT has gone through a special training process before it is ready to chat with you. It is pre-trained on a large corpus of text data from internet and other sources. Transformer. The way GPT learns is based on the specific method called transformer. This method helps it pay attention to different parts of a sentence to understand the context and meaning of the words. It is like a puzzle solver, putting the words in the right order to make sense. Definition of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text and engage in conversational interaction with users. OpenAI launched ChatGPT on November 30th, 2022. Let me explain ChatGPT in a simple and understandable way. ChatGPT is a kind of super smart computer program that can talk to people like a friend. It can answer questions, write an essay, story, poem, etc. It can also be useful for answering programming related questions, providing code examples, and assisting with general programming concepts. It is like having a robot friend that you can talk to anytime you want. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research organization focused on developing and advancing artificial intelligence (AI) technology. It was founded in December 2015 with the mission of ensuring that artificial general intelligence (AGI) benefits all of humanity. The overall goal of OpenAI is to develop friendly AI that benefits humanity. Let's see how to use ChatGPT. OpenAI provides access to ChatGPT through an interface called ChatGPT. We can open this ChatGPT using URL chat.openai.com. This interface allows user to interact with the ChatGPT language model and engage in conversations by typing in message and receiving response from the model. So you can see this is ChatGPT. We have two models here currently, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. GPT 3.5 is currently free and GPT 4 is paid version. You can also see from here we are accessing GPT 3.5 model. You need to write your questions here and then ChatGPT will give you a response. Let me show you demo of this ChatGPT, how to use this one. We can ask ChatGPT to write an essay. We can ask ChatGPT to answer GK questions. We can ask ChatGPT to write a code, write a formula, etc. Let me show you the demo. We just need to type here. So by this way we can use ChatGPT in our day-to-day work. I hope this is very useful for you. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. And please share this with your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video.